Hi guys, good day to everyone. I'm Clifford and welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is my very first honest review with Rapid Profit Machine. So as you know, just to let you know, Rapid Profit Machine is totally free. You can join Rapid Profit Machine for free, okay? But if you want to get 100% commission, then you can upgrade to RPM Pro, which is around $30 for you to be able to get 100% commission. Other than that, if you don't uh, upgrade with RPM Pro, then you will get 50% commission with the upgrades that is inside the Rapid Profit machine. So basically, you can join for free. Then, if let's say you promote RPM, then somebody join for free as well, but they think that they need those upgrades. Like for example, they want to upgrade to like as secret traffic sources of James. You want to upgrade to RPM Pro, tailored trifecta, turbocharger upgrade. You will have commission on it, except for the RPM Pro, because you can only get commissions with RPM Pro if you are an RPM Pro yourself. All right. So inside the system also, so after you follow through the funnel, the landing page, the steps from it, and you log into your dashboard. So basically, on the first tab, it will have some setup recap just to make it sure. I mean, just to double check if your RPM system is set up correctly. So from the introduction, getting your builder all, importing your RPM system, then those final steps where you need to put some details between your builder all office, mailing boss office, to the part that you need to send traffic or solo ads traffic. Okay, so basically James has his own premium traffic. If you want to get it, you can also get it. So, but the premium traffic usually you don't get 50% commission. If I'm not wrong, I think 10 to 50% commission. If I'm not wrong. Okay, then from here you will have also some optional upgrade. Then if let's say those that have joined your RPM, they upgrade one of the upgrade inside, then you will have commissions. But for your case, you can actually join for free. Otherwise, if you want to get 100% commission, then you can upgrade to RPM Pro. So after the setup recap, so like as you can see, also the system also provide trainings like this one, like for affiliate marketing, Facebook marketing, etc. Then yeah, so we'll have this extra if we, let's say, those promotional materials that you will need to promote RPM itself, and then with the all materials, yeah, you can also use this one. Although our main method that we use for here is we just send traffic to our home page or landing page. Okay, then yeah, then from the next steps, here also you will have like uh, a pre-rotator wherein if besides you're sending your own traffic, so there's also an option for you like to submit your link to a pre-rotator. So basically, it will rotate to all the members. It's a premium traffic sent by James Taylor himself as well. Then also some optional if you want some more bonus spots, and then yeah, so there's other upgrades here like this is for the RPM Pro, and yeah, some software that you might need, especially for newbies, and like some yeah, organic method also is here, so it will be given to you. All right. So what is the unique with RPM? This is just my opinion, because some system, right, you will promote the system itself, you get commission to the system. Then by doing this system, you need to buy tools like those autoresponders, landing page creator, some you need to have hosting, etc., which will cost you a lot. Okay, now the James is quite he's so smart of creating this system, because he integrate somehow these two builder all, and then I believe all the funnesters is it's obviously made under builder all. So basically builder all is like an all-in-one tools wherein you see, yeah, you will get all these tools, wherein if you buy this separately, it will cost you a lot. Okay, but with Builder All, just for the premium uh, membership at around $69.9, you get all of this. Yeah, for example, Cheetah Builder, Funnel Builder, yeah, so many to mention. Yeah, yeah, Mailing Boss Autoresponder, you get this for 69.9. Then, like for example, Mailing Boss Autoresponder, it's totally unlimited. Unlike if you buy those other autoresponders, right? You need to buy for the amount of email you send, and some for the number of contacts that you need to that you can upload. All right. So many things here. So basically, once we promote RPM, so it will run through the funnel wherein they will ask to, of course, activate Builder All because the system runs with Builder All. So they will be up to get the Builder All itself, wherein they can start for free for 14 days. Then after 14 days, they will be charged $69.9. Now, is this good or bad? Basically, it's good because it's an all-in-one tool, $69.9 with all the tools that you need in your online marketing is cheap. Just to let you know, if you have been here with this business, you know about those other uh, internet marketing tools, right? If you buy them separately, it will cost you more than 100, 200, or $500 to have them. But with Bidder All, you get it all here. All right. Then, and the good thing is, besides the fact that you are getting 50% to 100% commission in RPM if you're a pro member, you also get commission with the tools that we use with Builder All. So on your first direct sales with the Builder All, you get 100% commission. So it means that you only need one person. Yes, you just need one person at least to cover for your subscription with Builder All. Okay. Then also the good thing with Builder All is on your first direct sale, you get 100% commission automatically, and you get 30% commission on the next month. So let's say you someone join you today, then after 14 days they activate, you get 100% commission, 69.9, which will cover for your expense for your Builder All subscriptions. Then on the following month, you will get 30% commission to this guy recurring as long as he stays with Builder All. Now, automatically, once we go to premium subscription with Builder All, we are automatically as affiliate. So our customer, they will be automatically be an affiliate. So if you're an affiliate, so they will also at least, I mean, try their best also to promote Builder All. Otherwise, if they just want to be customer, then they can just use the tools. But there's a way for you to earn money, so why not just do it? Okay. So if your referral managed to get someone to go under him as a referral, on the first month, your referral get 100%, then you get 0%. But on the following month, your referral get 30% from his referral, then you get 30% from his referral and from your referral. So totally you get 60% on the next month. Okay? So if your referral, let's say you're really not good in, I mean, you don't do like paid advertising or solo ads, you just do organic, then you only manage to get one. Then let's say your referral is doing solo ads, right? Or maybe buying James Taylor premium traffic, got managed to get two-person under him on your second month, your subscription will also be free because you get 30% from your referral, then you get 30% from the two people that was referred from the two referrals of your referral, right? I think you got it. So as you can see, I told you just need one, but just to let you know, I just joined and approaching my first month. All right. So I'm doing paid traffic, sorry, and I'm also doing organic traffic. All right. So it will be teach also in the RPN system how to do organic traffic. Okay. So as you can see, this is my current standing now. I already got $251.64, and I also have earnings in my RPM. So, but I just to make this video short, I will not show you anymore. But it's around 250 as well because I upgrade to RPM Pro. Right. So as you can see, so this is my direct sales. I got 23 active leads, and those tier 2 sales means this is the referral of my leads referral. So got 18, right? So you can see the picture already, but just to show you, let's just give a like a super rough, very conservative calculations. This is just for the builder all, guys. I just to let you know. Let's say for 1 year you can only get 12 people to join RPM. Then of course they will also join uh, builder all when they join RPM, right? So they will become your affiliate. Okay, then when they start getting sales as well, okay, just to let you know, when they start getting sales, same as you, wherein they can only get one guy per month in RPM, which you will also be affiliated with builder all. So this will be your recurring income after 1 year. So this is a very conservative uh, calculation. So besides, so you get, so that's why I told you that this system of James Taylor is different, because you get commissions on the tools that you use, which is a good commission, and also you also get commission in RPM. All right, so it's up to you. If you want to get RPM for free, fine, you get 50% commission, but you also get good commissions in builder all. But if you really want to maximize your earnings, I suggest at least you go RPM Pro with rapid profit machine, so at least you can maximize your earnings. Okay, then all right, so hopefully this a bit will help you guys, for those who are thinking to join or not, to think of it, because you see, as you can see, as I mentioned, I'm just approaching my first month with RPM, but this is actually my earning already. So it already covered for my subscriptions of 69.9. Yeah, but you won't be able to get this yet, because usually there's a um, 30 days holding period, but after that, yeah, then you can get your income. All right, so thank you so much, guys. So this is my first honest review with RPM. Then see how it goes with the following months. I will be creating more videos, and also I will try to create videos those that I see that being asked in the group, and then hopefully we can help the RPM community. All right, so thank you so much and have a good day.